All right, it's time for some simple chord embellishments. If you want to go deeper, check the links in the description below for the extra content on Patreon. First thing, nice thing we can put onto our F major chord, we're going to drop that ring finger and take it off of the 2nd fret, 3rd string. It's going to create a F6 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next variation, we're going to move to F minor. Do the same thing. Yeah. Next, we're going to play C for 2 beats. 1, 2, but then on 3, 4, we're going to walk down. Yeah, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we get to A7 for 2, and then on 3, 4, you see I'm still playing with that note. This is what it sounds like so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rewind the video. You got this. Go ahead, watch this video a few times. There's quite a lot of information in it. You could always use the Vidami looping pedal to loop special sections of it and learn it more thoroughly. Make sure you treat this like jazz, okay? Do it a little differently each time. There's not one way to play this introduction. I'm showing you the fundamental way, and you can always embellish and do it a little differently each time. Next, we're going to play the D minor 7 chord, okay? D minor 7 with the pinky. Simple but tasty embellishment is to take that pinky off. That's actually in the melody. Why not take all of me? So, we're going to do this over the D minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you notice a common theme here? On beats 3 and 4, I'm putting the embellishments. That's to create some continuity in the listener's ear. Ready? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we're going to go to G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same idea, right? Take the finger off, put it down. Next, we're going to get to that turnaround where we play C for 2 beats. But instead of playing A7 like this, let's do this. A7 is going to be moving up to the 4th fret and dropping what looks like a G7 shape. Yeah, it's another way to play A7. You take this shape, move it up 1 fret, that'd be G sharp. 1 more fret, A7. Notice it makes a melody that goes up. Next, we're going to play the D minor 7 chord up here. Just bar, but don't sweat it. You're only going to play it for 1 quick beat. Dramatic silence. You hear it bouncing off the hills. Then go to your G7 down here, and you can use that same open string embellishment. This is what that whole section sounds like. Let's do it nice and easy, nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can make it much hipper by placing the charleston rhythm. 2, 3, 4. Charleston, Charleston. All right, let's play the whole introduction. Remember, you want to go deeper into this and learn some solo licks and more improvisational stuff for this introduction. Click the links below to support on Patreon and to get some pretty cool perks with your membership. There's a great community there. Thank you so much for joining and for being part of this channel. If you've watched this far, really appreciate it. Say hi in a comment below. Are you ready? Charleston. Get that in your head. Charleston. In your ear. Charleston. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you can end with ukulele circus trick number 1. You've seen those videos? I made them years ago. Hey, thank you so much for hanging with this video. If you've watched all the way to the end, you're awesome. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. I hope music is making your day wonderful. Look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Keep on jamming.